Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today I thought it would be cool to test out HTC BoomSound on the M9. We'll take a listen to a few different genres using BoomSound and I'll give you my thoughts at the end. Before we get into the sound test guys, please do let me know in the comments below what other types of videos you'd like to see from me covering the HTC One M9 and smartphones in general. That would be really helpful, I really would appreciate that. Anyway guys, let's get into the sound test. Alright guys, so for the first test we're going to do some pop music. So now we're going to do some dance / electronic music. Alright guys, we're going to finish things off with a bit of our rock music. So BoomSound is a definite win in my book. It basically kicks every other smartphone's arse when it comes to audio. I thought the projection and clarity were excellent. But what do you guys think? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. Keep it locked to the channel because I've got a couple more videos featuring the M9 front and rear camera tests and of course that full review. Thank you very much for watching, I really do appreciate it. Please like the video if you did so, and why not subscribe for more. I'll talk to you in the next one.